Welcome back. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, the story of how a university student is making an impact after a school project she initiated morphed into a charity event for young schoolgirls. Here's Ken Morgan.
What started out as a school project for 25-year-old Petrina Daly blossomed into a school tour aimed at ending period poverty. The final year Northern Caribbean University student says when she was tasked with planning an event for her public relations class, she knew she had to produce something meaningful.
I had to plan them, I had to pitch ideas to them, I had to pitch to different media companies, to sponsors, everybody in order to let them know that yes, period poverty is a real thing and it is a big deal in helping to alleviate the problem.
And with a passion for volunteerism, the media student, along with a charitable organization based in Raytown, Kingston, came up with the idea of targeting girls from schools in rural communities. First up, the Seawood Primary and Junior High School.
A lot of the girls not only in our communities, but in other communities, they are not aware of how to treat the menstrual cycle, how to calculate their cycle, how to know when it's about to come. Hygiene, basic hygiene, they do not know.
And after every tour, a station stacked with sanitary napkins is donated. Founder and president of Women Empowering Women, Colleen Campbell, says it's a three-part initiative.
So we do a sanitary napkin drive, we put out a call and we ask people to donate napkins. And we come to the school, we do the period talk with the girls, and then we leave the station stacked. We intend to ask teachers and parents to continue keeping the supply there so girls have access.
And to maintain privacy and ease of access, the station is left in the care of the guidance counselor.
In this day and age, you really didn't expect that so many persons are still faced with this issue. So we are really, really grateful.
And according to Petrina, before the project was even launched,
we have been getting calls because organizations have learned about this initiative and they have decided to come on board. We are going to be launching to different parishes, so this initiative will definitely continue.
They are encouraging others to join the cause.
If you feel the need to give back and help to alleviate period poverty, you can build your own stations, put it at a road, put it somewhere that is convenient to help people and help in keeping them stocked.
Businesses are out there who want to donate to this cause. They probably do not have the time to go into the schools and have this stock. If they're willing to donate either the stations or the napkins, we'll go in and do the talks.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.